Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I have made for you guys is about different beautiful braids. These braided hairstyles are really beautiful and it will look great on you as well. You can have an idea from these hairstyles and make one for you. How pretty cool does it looks? I found all of these really unique and a bit unusual as well. What we don't see on daily basis, people wearing these cute braids whilst it looks so great and so good. These are different hairstyles that you can just tie, and how elegant does this looks? Look at this heart-shaped one. Isn't this so pretty? Look this, how huge and cute braided ponytail. It really fascinates me. This is a twisted braid. These are great too. Look at this one. These are really simple to wear, but very stunning. And if you look at this one, how simple and beautiful it looks. It goes well with different hair colors as well. If you're having different hair color, it will look even much more beautiful and great. Look at this one. My gosh, look at this. This looks like 5 ponytails all together in one. Really great, unusual things, and I really didn't saw this kind of hairstyles before anyone wearing, but it's really great. And look at this one, twisted again. This is my favorite most. It's paired with jewelry. And if you guys want me to upload more videos, just comment down below what kind of hairstyles would you like to see, and I will tune according to your recommendations. Guys, for more such videos, just subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any latest update, and you'll be notified whensoever I upload a video. And if you can share this with your family and friends, then please. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you like these videos, then just stick on, stay updated with me. I upload video on regular basis, and I'll try to tune as per your suggestions as well. So the videos that you love the most, I'll make on those beautiful videos so you enjoy watching them. Bye everyone, and thank you for watching.